The 2010 Porsche Panamera Stingray by TopCar. Tuning houses never seem to get tired of dressing up the Porsche Panamera, with the latest tuned-up Panamera coming from Russian tuner TopCar, which revealed its new Stingray package for the new Panamera. Among the features included in the kit includes a new front bumper, the piston skirt, thresholds, the back bumper with diffuser, an additional anti-wing and a bonnet, all of which have been made in carbon fiber. The interior gets luxurious leather Nappa and the engine has been tuned to deliver 542 horsepower. Update May 31, 2010. The Stingray will be available in 3 editions: the Black Matte Edition, the White Edition, and the Carbon Gray Edition. The first kit, Black Matte Edition, features some elements painted in gloss black: the front lip spoiler, front bumper inserts, ventilation, gills on the bonnet, front fender scoops, side skirts, window trims, both rear wings, the tailgate trim, and rear bumper diffuser. The White Edition combines the white exterior color with some trim parts painted in black and white leather on the interior. Finally, the Carbon Gray Edition comes with the front lip spoiler, front bumper inserts, the bonnet, front fender scoops, side skirts, window trims, both rear wings, the tailgate trim, and rear bumper diffuser, all made of carbon fiber. Check out the new photos in the gallery after the jump. Press release after the jump. Press release. The aerodynamic Dodger Porsche Panamera Stingray consists of the front bumper, the piston skirt, thresholds, the back bumper with diffuser and an additional anti-wing, and the bonnet. It was possible to improve the aerodynamic characteristics of the car due to a new geometry of these components. The coefficient of frontal resistance decreased by 0.24. It is important all components of the aerodynamic set, the bonnet and the elements of exterior dressing, are made from carboxylic fiber. The engineers of TopCar company installed a new exhaust system and tuned the engine that allowed to increase the power by 550 ls. Moreover, the minimal clearance was decreased. This model has forged wheel discs R21 of own design and TopCar company production. The car interior has been also changed. Inside of a car you can find luxurious leather Nappa. The decorative panels are changed into the panels from the authentic carbon. The Russian premier Porsche Panamera Stingray is fixed on the 2nd of April at Dream Car Show 2010 in Moscow. The world premiere of this model will take place at the exhibition Top Marcus in Monaco on the 15th of April.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.